1 plus 1 equals 2. So 2 times 2 is just 4. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here we have one division, one multiplication, and one parentheses. We need to pay attention that here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So here first we have to do this parentheses. And after this parenthesis, we have to do this division, and finally this multiplication, because as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. Okay, if you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Inside this parenthesis, we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2. So we have 8 divided by 2 times 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. And 4 times 2 is just 8. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 8.